Kenya and Egypt are also close partners in promoting regional peace and security. Our strategic engagement on the current situation in the Horn of Africa attests the shared commitment to deliver sustainable stability in our vast region. Kenya and Egypt have enjoyed long-standing cordial relations spanning 6 decades. Kenya's embassy in Cairo was opened in 1964, becoming the second Kenyan mission abroad after London. We must ensure that all these frameworks translate into stronger economic, social, and development relations between our two countries through action-oriented implementation strategies. Kenya is committed to encouraging and facilitating Egyptian companies to do business in our country, resulting in the steady growth in trade and investment between our two countries.
In our meetings today, we had an opportunity to discuss in depth the imperative to give further impetus to our economic cooperation, particularly in the fields of trade, electricity, renewable energy infrastructure, in addition to the cooperation in the field of food security, water and irrigation, where we resolve to continue our cooperation to attract financing for projects that aim to achieve our developmental objectives in accordance with the best practices of cooperation and the rules and principles of international law.
Let me reiterate the need for all sectors involved from both sides to work together and exert more effort on fast-tracking actions on agreed areas of cooperation. Let us put in place robust follow-up, monitoring, and evaluation mechanisms to review on a regular basis the progress on the deliverables agreed upon. I am confident that both countries can leverage existing platforms to share the dividends that will accrue from this bilateral cooperation in the agreed areas of mutual interest.
Na